A skilled forklift operator knows their equipment inside and out, starting with the operator's compartment. This is your control center, your protection zone, and your responsibility. In today's video, we will review the safety principles that every forklift operator must do to keep themselves safe. Welcome to this Supply Chain Pros video. While today's content is intended for forklift safety, there are many other pieces of powered industrial equipment that can be substituted for the forklift that I am referring to in the video today. There is a wide variety of different weights and different models of forklifts. While the average forklift weighs approximately 8,000 pounds, the type of equipment that you are operating can vary. The operator's compartment is required on certain types of forklifts. Common equipment that have an operator's compartment include stand-up forklifts, reach trucks, order pickers, clamps, sit-down forklifts, turret trucks, and any type of machinery that has an enclosed cab. This does not include electric pallet jacks, scissors lifts, boom lifts, and other equipment where there is nothing durable to protect an operator. In the event that an operator is lifting an item overhead with the truck, the purpose of the overhead guard is to protect the operator from an object that may fall down. This guard is also strong enough to pass certain levels of impact forces in engineered testing environments. Combine the overhead guard with the durable sides of the equipment that are designed to withstand collisions, and this creates a very sturdy space that can protect an operator from many different types of hazards by the operator simply staying inside the shelter of the compartment. Equipment operators should always control their machines while being in the designated operating position. The designated operating position means that the operator always faces the direction that the lift is traveling. The operator's hands are located on the equipment controls at all times. The operator is standing at attention, ready to react to anything. And all body parts of the operator are within the confines of the forklift. Some unexpectedly dangerous scenarios related to the designated operating position are known to occur. It can be easy to fatigue throughout your shift and slouch or lean on areas of your forklift. Or maybe you are in a conversation with a coworker and looking at them while you attempt to operate a forklift as you interact with a pallet. Operating a forklift for long hours makes your muscles stiff, and you find yourself extending your legs or your arms to stretch them as you operate the lift in order to remain flexible. While all of these scenarios are understandable, each scenario puts the operator at risk of an accident or a severe injury by breaking the designated operating position safety principle. In the event that an operator has a body part outside of a moving forklift, a collision can lead to severe bodily injury. Never operate a piece of equipment with a foot, a leg, or an arm hanging outside of the confines of the equipment. An accidental collision with another piece of equipment or structure could crush that body part that is outside of the safety of the operator's compartment. Imagine a scenario where you trip and fall. Many of us want to stick out our arms to try to catch ourselves or soften the impact. This is a natural human reaction. And we have the same natural human reaction when we see and anticipate a piece of equipment that we are operating about to collide with something. It is natural for us to want to try to soften the impact. We must remember that the forklift that we are operating weighs between 4,000 and 12,000 pounds. No human arm or leg will be able to do anything to stop the impact of a moving forklift. In the event that you see you are about to collide with something, tuck your body parts close to you inside of the operator's compartment and brace for impact. Your operator's compartment is designed to protect you. OSHA estimates that approximately 35,000 powered industrial truck-related serious injuries occur annually. Staying within the confines of your equipment will protect your body in the event of an impact with another object. This content in the video covers all powered industrial lift trucks that have a protective operator's compartment and a roll cage. This includes models such as the stand-up forklift, the reach truck, the order picker, the clamp truck, the sit-down forklift, the turret truck, and any type of equipment that has an overhead guard or a cab. In the event that you find yourself in a forklift tip-over scenario, stay in your operator's compartment and do not attempt to jump off. Keep all body parts inside of the compartment. Do not attempt to put your arm out to soften the blow. Lean away from the falling direction of the lift and hold on to the steering wheel or the grab bars. Your operator's compartment is designed to protect you. Again, we will reiterate that it is a natural reaction to want to stick our arms out or our legs out to soften an impact, but our human body parts will not be able to stand up to a 4,000 to 12,000 pound truck tip over. Any body part that finds itself underneath the falling lift will be crushed. Amputations that occur as a result of a crushed body part following a forklift accident are a very real consequence of a forklift tip over or collision. Approximately 90 deaths occur each year in the United States due to fatal forklift accidents. Many of these fatalities are tip-over related incidents in which the operator does not remain in the compartment and is crushed underneath the falling weight of the lift. If you have a seatbelt on your equipment, please always wear it so that you stay in your seat and you do not fall out of a tipping over forklift. Does your company have instructions to hold on and brace or to jump in the event of a tip over? Comment what you know or what you've seen down below. The final segment of today's video is to never operate with any foreign items inside of your operator's compartment. Any loose or unsecured items can shift during travel and slide around within the compartment. Some common items that find themselves loose in the operator's compartment include boxes, tools, stationary items, personal items, food or water bottles, load bars, and rolls of stretch wrap. These items being displaced can interfere with an operator's ability to freely interact with the controls of the forklift. I want you to imagine a scenario where a water bottle rolls underneath the control pads of a sit-down forklift and it gets stuck. Or how about a box that slides around and gets wedged between an operator's control arm and the overhead guard, not allowing the operator to move their arm to control the lift? These are dangerous scenarios where an operator may not be able to respond as they are expecting to during the operation of their forklift due to that item moving within the compartment. This can lead to many unintended consequences during travel. It can be tempting to place something on the dash of your equipment that may not fit on your forks, or standing anything up inside your operator's compartment with you creates a hazard that can remove your ability to interact with the controls of your lift safely. The operator's compartment is more than just a place to stand or sit. It's the engineered safety zone designed to protect you from the many hazards that come with operating powered industrial trucks. Staying in the designated operating position, keeping every body part inside of the compartment, and maintaining full control of your equipment at all times are simple habits that make the difference between a safe shift and a life-altering injury. Remember, your forklift weighs several thousand pounds, and your body does not. Never try to brace, catch, or stop a moving machine. Trust the protective structure around you and keep your body parts tucked inside, and if equipped, always wear your seatbelt to remain secure during a tip over. And don't forget about housekeeping inside of the compartment. Loose items like bottles, tools, boxes, and personal belongings can wedge under the controls or restrict your movements in a critical moment. A clean and clear operator's compartment is a safe operator's compartment. By respecting these principles every time you operate, you reinforce the safety culture that keeps you and your coworkers protected. Stay alert, stay in control, and stay inside of the operator's compartment. Your safety depends on it. If you found value in the content of this video, like and subscribe to the channel. This is your Supply Chain Pro, out.